So here's the Turtle Beach VelocityOne. The screen looks like it's doing that, but it's actually not. It's just the camera. But you can see it says PC, the firmware version, for right hand, Bluetooth. You got a timer there that you can start and stop. A little ring here. It is nice and clicky. You got back button, as you can see there. Select. I use this for flaps, and it does have detents. And then you have 4 buttons over here. Another one, I use this for throttle, same thing. Afterburner for the top detent. And then bottom, use that for reverse thrusters. And then you got landing gear or parking brake. You can change them all. It does come with a sheet that shows you what all the buttons are mapped to, and it is fully programmable, every single button. And then this is fully adjustable, so you can adjust it up and down. You can see there, unscrews, there's a whole bunch of different adjustments. You can even adjust the angle of this. The rubber on it is really nice and soft. This right here is actually you can see my mouse moving, and you can change the sensitivity of it, so I can click it, and yeah. So that's that there. Top hat here. This is to look around. It's also a nice clicky button. Of course, you have the trigger, and yeah. So I use this for cockpit views, and then of course you have your pause and stuff. But yeah, absolutely amazing stick. I do have it mounted here. Comes with the mounting screws. Highly recommend. So it's got 10 different settings. You can also use an app. Pro aim, orientation for left and right, touch sensitivity, that's for your little mouse touchpad here, Bluetooth, and then performance. You can also do the lighting. I think I passed it there. Yeah, lighting right there. So you can change the color. Right now I just have it all on white. You can do the LED brightness. There's a whole bunch of different settings on this, but I tried out quite a few different flight sticks, and this one by far is the best. And yeah, I also use my Elgato Stream Deck, but highly recommend this flight stick.
G'day. The reason there's no screen is because the Xbox, in my despair, I reset. So I can't show you the problem I've encountered, but basically there's no inputs to the buttons whatsoever. There's no flaps, there's no throttle response. The hat seems to work, that's fine, but you just can't get out of the system. The only way getting out is by pressing a button. So it's really frustrating. I've spent hours literally trying to configure it, and it's just not working. And what I've heard on some websites, Microsoft have known that the problem exists. It's happening to personal computers on flight sims, and if they knew, it makes you wonder why it wasn't rectified. So they should be ashamed of themselves if that's the case. Microsoft, no stars for you. Looks good, I like it, but man, I wish it was working. I really want to fly. Thanks, guys.
funcionando perfecto. Muy buena calidad, muy bien empacado, tiempo de entrega muy rápido.
I find it's best in these situations to slow everything down. So let's start with an introduction. I'm John Norman. What's your name? Yeah, you're on camera right now. They are comparing your face to DMV records as we speak. It's Cooper. Cooper,